from the Fitbeast Academy, and today I'm coming at you with another resistance band workout, this time for the legs and booty. So I'm going to be exchanging the handles on my Fitbeast Resistance kit to these, and they are ankle supports, and the band clips directly onto your ankles. So if you have the Fitbeast kit, put these beauties on. If not, you can use the normal resistance bands, which are the full loop, and then just place one end on either end of your feet. So I've actually just changed the colour to black because it's the perfect resistance for me for this first exercise. Exercise number 1, I'm going to have an ankle strap on both ankles, and we're going to raise our leg up as high as we can and back down. So you can hold on to a beam, a bar, a wall, a chair, just for the extra stability. So we're not worrying about the balance, we're just working the strength. So kick out a low round kick, and then from there you're going to extend, keeping that leg nice and straight, controlled all the way up as high as you can, and then back down. Nice and controlled movement. Really getting the work into the muscles, into the core, into those stabilization muscles that really help get the kick up. Let's go, guys, with exercise number 1. We're going to do 10 on each leg. You do not need to be kicking as high as I'm kicking. I'm only doing the kicks to that height because that's where I really benefit and reap the rewards. If your kicks are here, 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 no matter where you are, get to your maximum point of flexibility, and that will be working perfectly for you. Exercise number 2, I'm going to take off one of the ankle straps and then hook it around this bar. Now, of course, if you haven't got a bar at home, just find a table or a door handle, something that you can attach the band to. Find a suitable distance that you can stand, and we're going to do slow cyclic extensions, okay? Now these can be anywhere from knee height to hip height, head height, entirely up to you. Find a suitable distance from the wall to be able to extend and get the resistance through this workout. You can hold on again to eliminate the balance. Bring that knee up and extend. Okay, making sure you keep nice alignment. So you want that good alignment from the heel, straight line through the hips to the head. Now your choice, you can put your foot down in between the individual kicks, or you can keep your foot elevated, entirely up to you. Obviously you'll get more of a burn if you keep that foot elevated in between the kicks. Let's go, 10 on each leg, guys. onto one of your ankles. From there, what we're going to do, bring that knee up and then extend the front kick out. Okay? Again, your choice if you want to place a chair here to hold on to, and also the distance that you go at. Remember, the closer you are to the wall, the less resistance you're going to have in your band. If you come out further, the more resistance. Again, the height is completely up to you. If you're here, you're going to get the same workout as if you're here. Alright? Personal preference. Enjoy, guys. It's your workout and your time to shine. Let's go. 10 on each leg. Kicking with. For this one, I want you to place the resistant band around your back, and then I want you to find a place where you can create a little bit more resistance within the band, and we're going to come around with a round kick, so that by the time you've extended, you've got real good tension round the back whilst you're doing this kick. Keep that leg up nice and high, and extend and back. Okay? And we're going to do 10 of those on each leg. Let's go, guys. So stand a good distance away from the wall, and we're going to bring that knee up for a front kick chamber. From here, we're going to lean forward, tilt the pelvis, and extend that leg backwards. Okay, try to get the feet pointing down, heel pointing up before coming back through. This one, you can place your foot down in between each kick if you wish. Let's go, 10 on each side. well done. This is an AMRAP workout, guys, so it means as many rounds as possible. So you choose the rounds, 2 rounds, 3 rounds, entirely up to you. Have fun with it, listen to your body. It is a bit of a killer, this one. Be patient, be kind to your body, have fun with it. And if you want to get 15% off your very own Fitbeast Resistance kit, check the link in the description below. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.